Spill the tea. 100 counts, 2 was. ABC phrased advanced. Part A. Total 32 counts, 2 was. Section 1. Stomp forward, hands pushed down. Cross, back, side, cross. Rock to the side, lift toe up. Quarter recover, facing 9. Half shuffle forward, facing 3. Section 2. Cross samba, cross side. Hinge half turn facing 9 deep down. Rise up with 2 shoulder pop, right, left. Count section 1 and 2. 1 hold 2, 3, 4 are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part A, section 3. Recover right with sweep. Half diamond, cross side diagonal back, 730. Behind 1-8, side 1-8 forward, 430. Cross 3-8 back, facing 12. Left, back, lock, back. Section 4. Rock back with knee pop. Recover, right foot, step, lock, step, forward. Slow mumble half. Rock, recover, half, forward, facing 6. End of part A. Count part A, section 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B, 32 counts, 2 was. First B start facing 6. Section 1, slow lock step. Forward lock, forward. Hitch half turn facing 12. Slow lock step, forward lock. Left shuffle forward. Section 2, 2 quick rock. Forward rock, side rock, behind side cross. Big step left with drag. Right index finger over lips and look left. This is for lyrics won't say a word. Count part B, section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B, section 3. Rolling full turn into side chassé. Quarter forward, half back, quarter side chassé, facing 12. Cross side. Sailor quarter forward, facing 9. Section 4. Curvy walks and shuffle, total making 3/4 turn. Quarter right, quarter left, quarter shuffle forward, facing 12. Left mumble, rock, recover, back. Out, out, in, in. End of part B. Count part B, section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Tag, 4 counts. First tag after A and B, facing 12. Rocking chair with snake hands. Forward rock, back rock. Count for the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Part C, 32 counts, 1 wall. Part C is only danced once. Start and finish at 6. Section 1, forward right, sweep. Forward left, sweep. Step, pivot half, facing 12. Full turn, half back, half forward. Section 2, forward right, sweep. Forward left, sweep. Jazz box, cross, back, side, cross. Count part C, section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Press to the right, hold. Recover to the left, making half turn and lift leg up. 4 reverse quarter chug. or reverse quarter hip roll, total making a full turn. Side right, roll hip clockwise, recover quarter. Side right, roll hip clockwise, recover quarter. Facing 12. Section 4. Continue the track. Side right, roll hip clockwise, recover quarter. Side right, roll hip clockwise, recover quarter. Facing 6. Step right together. Reach both hands up over 4 counts. End of part C. Count part C, section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole dance count. Part A. 1 whole 2, 3, 4 are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will do another 2 full A. First A start facing 12. Second A, backward A. 1 whole 2, 3, 4 are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Then tag second time 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will do B, front wall. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then you will do another 2A, back wall and front wall. Come back to 6. Tag third time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will do part C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you will do 2A, back wall and front wall. Come back to 6, ending, step half, stomp with push hand. 1, 2, 3. For lyrics, shut the door. End of the whole dance.